Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's nice speaking to you guys today. So today we'll be diving into important apps or good app used for video editing that you will need as a content creator. Number one is the Wonge, the major important app. In short, can make your YouTube videos, Instagram videos, TikTok videos, or Facebook videos. It can even help you add thumbnails and co on your video, or maybe just for your cover or whatever you want to do as a content creator. Then the next one on my list will be UCut. UCut is actually a very good app. You can edit your pictures, edit your videos, cut, add, overlap, and many more. Is actually equivalent to a particular app that I will call during our talk in this video. Then the next one is Velo, VLL, Velo, have you Velo? Sorry, pardon. VLLO, that's the name of the app. I don't actually know the Velo. I call it Velo. And it's also a good editing video, like a basic is a nice editing video that you can try out and see the outcome. The next app on my list is Canva. Canva is actually multi-purpose app. Yes, I call it multi-purpose app because you can use Canva for your graphics. You can use Canva for your short video creation. You can use Canva for your maybe post or flyer. You can use Canva for editing and cutting and placing. Canva is just multi-purpose, I'll call it that. Then if you are a TikTok person, then the next one on my list should be, you should be conversant with it. But before then, please remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification button to get notification whenever I post new videos. Thank you. Then the next video on my list is CapCut. CapCut is actually underrated. I call it underrated. I'd say it's underrated because a lot of people look down on that app, but that app does a lot. That app does a lot that you can ever imagine. You can use for your video editing. You can use to even download music that won't scream copyright on your page. It can be used, but actually when you're picking music, be careful because some music on the app is actually copyright music. So please be careful. Be careful. I'll totally advise you use YouTube music to actually put music on your videos. But if you can't, like all those introduction sounds, all those like background sounds, you can actually use CapCut to introduce that too. And CapCut can also add, you can overlap your videos, you can freeze your videos, you can do a lot with CapCut. I can't mention all of them. You can actually edit your cover page with your CapCut. You can actually create a thumbnail with your laptop, CapCut, sorry. And that's all for today. Thank you. Remember, guys, subscribe. And remember, please eat whatever you're doing. Keep 2 minutes of your time to eat. It's very important so you can stay alive and strong for me, so that you can keep coming back to watch my videos. Thank you and God bless you. Remember, subscribe, like, hit the notification button, comment too is part of it. Thank you guys. Bye.